Ready to turn your big ideas into reality? With GoDaddy, you are just a click away from securing your perfect domain, building a stunning website, and launching your brand to the world. Let's make your online presence unforgettable. So hey guys, and welcome again in another video where I will show you step by step how you can use GoDaddy.com. So first of all have to do is open your web browser and dive into GoDaddy.com. This is the homepage as you can see. So what is GoDaddy? GoDaddy is a web services company that provides domain registration, web hosting, website building tools, and online marketing services. Founded in 1997, it is one of the largest domain registrars in the world, helping individuals and businesses establish their online presence. GoDaddy offers a range of products, including website design, e-commerce solutions, and various digital marketing tools, making it a one-stop shop for online needs. So to get started, you have just to click over Start for free, then you will find this page. Here we have it. Your free website is only the first step. Here we have create mobile-friendly websites for your business for free and witness the growth of your business grow integrated marketing. You click over start for free, but if we scroll down we have the steps that you have to follow to get started and create a website. As you can see here, we have the first step: choose a template to start building your site or free shop. Then we have add your content, your products, and the content details of the enterprise to take ownership of the site. Then we have the third step, which is use integrated marketing to let people know you are up and running. Then we have the fourth step, which is you can manage everything on any device from a single dashboard: reviews, orders, social media. Then we have the last step, which is by premium features according to your needs, add-ons for your shop, referencing, SEO, and we have appointments here. So you can just click over start for free and you'll find this page. Here we have create an account. Already have an account, you just click over login and you write your email address and your password and you get started and you find your account. Then you can also use other options to sign up. So we have here Facebook or Google. We have also email address and you get started and you will find this. You have just to answer this questions. We have the first question, which is what features does your website need? For example, we have it sell with an online store, make appointments online, and we have something else here. I will click over this one, then I will click over continue. Here we have here very well what kind of website do you want. We use this information to recommend photos and content to you. So you select if you have here, if you don't have anything, and we have here hairdresser and hairdresser, and we have here spa, and we have also photograph. So I will select this one, spa, and I will click over continue. Once you do that, you will find this. What name should we give you to your website? This will be the name of your project. If you change your avis, you can always update it. So you can just choose, for example, I choose for example something here. For example, this is a shop, like that. Then you click over continue. So once you do that, you will find the home page. As you can see here, we have the dashboard. So after signing up for GoDaddy, you have just to start by logging into your account. Use the search bar to find and register your desired domain name. Once you have your domain, explore their hosting options and choose one that fits your needs, like shared VPS or dedicated hosting. Use the website builder for an easy drag and drop design experience, or upload your existing site files. Don't forget to configure your DNS settings for your domain and set up SSL for security. Regularly check your account for renewal reminders and explore additional features like email hosting and marketing tools to enhance your online presence. So here we have my name, we have area shop. You can add a logo here, and we have in the dashboard here is how to proceed with the configuration. We have firstly premium here, upward to remove ads from your site. Choose a paid plan to give your website a more professional look. We have then, if you scroll down, upload your own images, stand out or customize your site by adding different photos to it. Then we have here manage your social platforms in one place, claim your domain also. So here we have the premium and we have your website. You have customize your website with a custom domain, use Facebook image your site, and also you have publish your site to start welcome and visitor. Then we have your marketing. Then we have your website as you can see, and we have marketing. Then post on social media to increase the traffic to your website. Then we have send an email campaign to get visitors back to your site. Create your first blog post, and if we scroll down we find here more opportunities for development like upload your own images, manage your social platforms in one place. You have claim your domain also. Here we have appointments here, list a service of or course. We have manage information about your business, and also we have the same thing that I already mentioned about premium here. Then we have domain name here. You can just find a new area here. You can just search, and we have websites also. So to get started, to begin, we have business like yours. Often start with these basic steps to creating a successful site. Make sure your contact information is up to date. Then you have review about section. Add your logo or create one to strengthen your brand image. Upload media to use on your site. Then we have use Facebook images on your site. Then we have improve your site here. So we have firstly customize the website with the domain personality with custom domain. Here we have it. So then we have here add links to your social media accounts, make yourself noticed in web searches thanks to referencing. Then we have grow your audience also. In this one we have here grow your audience. Then we have explore some new tools. So here we have firstly and explore some new tools to the premium plan that is right for you. Then we have here allow bookings with online appointments, sell products in our store, create on the fly with the Studio app. Then if we scroll down, you'll find here email also. So here we have manage the email users, create a professional email address for your domain. Then we have your shop, such as presentation, products, categories, comments, parameters. And we have appointments here, also social, marketing, clients. So GoDaddy services as a comprehensive platform for anyone looking to establish and grow their online presence with its wide array of services, including domain registration, web hosting, and user-friendly website building tools. GoDaddy simplifies the process of going digital for individuals and businesses alike, whether you are launching a personal blog or an e-commerce site. GoDaddy equips you with the tools necessary to succeed in the online world. So this is it for this video guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys.